everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 764 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today we're gonna have some fun. I mean, I always have fun playing with makeup and filming these videos, but this product right here is just fun in a bottle, in my opinion. So here I have a pink sparkly glitter eyeliner, a hot pink glittery sparkly liquid eyeliner that I got from Shopmissa. It's from the brand Santee, and it's cute packaging, right? Here's what it looks like. And this is actually really high rated on the Shopmissa website, which is very reassuring. It comes in 8 different shades and I chose the pink shade, of course. All right, I just want to zoom in a bit for this. But so I'm going to start out by swatching. Okay. It's a brush applicator. That looks pretty good. Decent pigment, you can see the sparkle. It has really pretty sparkle to it actually, like different size glitter, which I think is really pretty and a little different. But so, like I said, I got this from Shopmissa, which means it's only $1. It's also cruelty free, which I absolutely love. But that's what I think is so fun about trying out $1 makeup products, is that this is probably a special occasion makeup product for me that I wouldn't have spent really any more than $1 or a couple dollars on. But that's why I love Shopmissa and Dollar Tree makeup, because then I get to have fun with products that are out of my comfort zone, kind of like those special occasion products. And a lot of times I've been very pleasantly surprised by the products that I think are going to be a little bit too crazy or special occasion, and I end up being like, that's super wearable. But so maybe that won't be the case with this pink glittery eyeliner, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and we'll see how it looks. So I'm just going to line my upper lash line. Ooh, this applicator is so easy to work with. And that's coming from me, someone that's not great with liquid eyeliners. But so I was really easily able to line my upper lash line. And with this one layer, like, it's pretty subtle, like it's kind of a lighter amount of pigment, but it still has a lot of sparkle to it. So even just doing this somewhat subtle pink line, and I also kind of did a little bit of a wing with it too. It still adds sparkle, so a little extra touch to the eye look, which I really like, but I want to see if I can build up that hot pink color. Ooh, yes. It actually layers up really, really nicely, so you can build it up to a brighter pink. Good, that's what I was hoping I'd be able to do. And I'm so surprised by how easy this is to work with. I was thinking that maybe I would have to use this as a little like eyeliner topper if it had great sparkle but not great, very pigmented color. But no, just adding that second layer really built up that bright pink. So it's much more noticeable now and so pretty. So let me get up close so you can see it on the eye. I love it. It's seriously what I was hoping. I seriously love it. It's what I was hoping for and how I was hoping it would look. Like it's bright and it's sparkly. I'm gonna go ahead and line the other eye. I feel like they designed this product for me personally. I know that's a little selfish, but I just think it is so fun. A hot pink glitter eyeliner, like that is perfect for me. Okay, now I'm going a little overboard, but I'm just going over it one more time to see if it really does keep building up. Yes. It is even brighter, even more pigmented with a third layer. So now I feel like it's full color. And I'm really impressed by how this layers up and that you can get it as bright or as subtle as you want it, and just how easy it is to apply. Like, I've tried out other glitter eyeliners that I hoped would be like this, but they weren't. And I paid a lot more money for them, but no. If you want a pink glitter eyeliner, you only need to spend $1 on this Santee diamond eyeliner from Shopmissa, because it's everything I want in a pink glitter eyeliner. This product seriously makes me smile. It makes me so happy. Now I have a bright pink glitter eyeliner in my collection to reach for whenever I want that pop, because having it on my eyes, like, I love it. I love how it looks, but it really is more of like a costumey, festive type of look for me and my lifestyle, which, trust me, I want to break this pink glittery eyeshadow out as often as I can, but it's not an everyday thing for me. But just knowing I have this to throw on whenever I want to makes me quite happy. Since this is such a great quality product, I would love to get this in more shades. So if you want like a colored glittery eyeliner, check this one out. It comes in, like I said, 8 colors. So that's a lot of selection. And for only $1, you can get all 8 of them for $8. You know what I would love to hear in the comments down below? What would be your favorite, like, fun, special occasion, kind of dress up, play type of makeup product? Would it be a pink sparkly eyeliner, a fun lip color? I would love to get some ideas in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.